Hello friends, this is Unique English and I'm Harry. How you doing guys? Today I'm going to test your level of English. I'm going to give you some questions on gerunds and infinitives. And I just want you to do these questions by yourself before I do the answers. እኔ ከመስራት በፊት በራስህ ወይም በራስሽ እንድትሰሩ ነው የምፈልገው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ቀስ ብዬ ነው ማስረዳችሁ. Stay with me, especially those students who are about to take the national exam. It's really important for you. Good. My friend really enjoys dash books and magazines. My friend really enjoys dash books and magazines. A, to read. B, to read. C, reading melala. 1, 2, 3. So, what is the answer?
Reading.
Reading, all right? Why? Why is reading here? Let me know reading you on because the word enjoy. Because the word what? Enjoy is a gerund verb. Enjoy is followed by a verb with what? ing. ብዙ ጊዜ gerund ምናምን ነገር ሲባል እንደዚህ ምን ለማለት ነው? ሌላ ሁለተኛውን ይሄ enjoy ራሱ ing ይሆናል ሳይሆን ሁለተኛ የሚመጣውን ግስ ምን ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው? ing እንዲያስከትል ያደርገዋል ማለት ነው. Am I clear? So, my friend really enjoys reading books and magazines. So what do you enjoy doing? For example, I enjoy dancing. መደነስ ያስደስተኛል. I enjoy dancing. I enjoy like hanging out with my friends. So what do you enjoy doing?
Watching movies.
I enjoy watch or watch?
Watching.
All right? Past tense ብታረጉትም I enjoyed ብትሉም I will enjoy ብትሉም I have enjoyed ብትሉም whatever the tense is የፈለገው tense ይሁን ከenjoy ወይም enjoyed whatever the tense is ፊት ለፊት የሚመጣ ግስ ing ጨምሮ የሚመጣ ማለት ነው. Am I clear? All right, that's very good. So what is the answer here? Reading. እዚህ ጋር እንደዚህ ባደርገውስ enjoyed ብልስ እዚህ ጋር ማን ይሆናል? Still reading ነው የሚሆነው. will enjoy ብልስ ማን ይሆናል? Still reading ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው. ከቴንሱ ጋር ምንም ነገር እንትን የለውም ማለት ነው. Doesn't have any kind of problem with the tense. ስለዚህ ቴንሱ ጋር ምንም አይነት ችግር የለበትም. Okay. So number 2. Dash enough sleep is very important for health. Dash enough sleep is very important for health. ስለዚህ ግሶች መጀመሪያ ሲመጡ they can be used at the present participle ማለት ነው. Understand? So what is the present participle among the given alternatives? Present participle ማን ነው? Present tense ነው አላልኩም እኔ present participle ነው ያልኩኝ. Getting, all right? So ምን ትረጃለሽ እዚህ ጋር? Present participles are used as a subject of a sentence. አንድ ግስ ing ጨምሮ ሲመጣ ምን ይባላል? Present participle ይባላል። ስለዚህ በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ሲመጡ እንደ ሰብጀክቱ ነው ያገለግላሉ፣ ሰርቭ ያደርጋሉ. So getting enough sleep is very important for a good health. Do you understand me? For health. Therefore, like getting is the answer here. Getting enough sleep is important for health. So why is not gets here? No, it doesn't give sense because we don't have any kind of like third person. ምንም sense አይሰጥም እዚህ ጋር ማለት ነው. So it comes at the beginning of the sentence. When verbs come at the beginning of the sentence, they can be used as a subject and like that present participle. Sometimes like we can use also infinitive too. Yes or no? To get enough sleep. Do you understand me? Yeah. All right, good. Okay, number 3. Dash is not allowed inside the house. You should go out or you should go outside. Dash is not allowed inside the house. You should go outside ይላል. የማይፈቀድ አለ ቤት ውስጥ የሆነ ነገር አይፈቀድም ወደ ውጭ መውጣት አለብህ ይላል. Smokes, smoking, smoke. ልክ እንደዚህ ነው ተመሳሳይ ነው. What's the present participle here?
It is smoking.
Smoking is not Smoking is not allowed inside the house. You should go outside. Yes or no? So smoke is a verb. Smokes third person. The third person but singular verb now. And then smoke is a base verb and smoking is what? A present participle. It's what? A present participle. ስለዚህ present participle እዚህ ጋር ይሆናል. ስለዚህ what's the answer here? Smoking. See smoking በስቲ እዚህ ጋር ማን ነው አለ? Getting. Say getting. All right. እዚህ ጋርስ ማን ነው አለ? Reading. ማን ነው አለ እዚህ ጋር? Reading ነው ብለናል ማለት ነው. That's really nice. Okay. Good ይላል. I love dash a cup of coffee in the early morning ይላል. So like is that to drink or to drinking?
To drink,
right? Yeah. Why? Because of love. By the way, the word love can be followed by either infinitive or gerund. አይደል? ሁለቱን ነው መስኪያለው። I love drinking ማለት እችላለሁ or I love to drink. I love eating or I love to eat. ምንም ችግር የለበትም። but እዚህ ጋር ግን ችግሩ ያፈረሰው እዚህ ጋር ምን ነው ማለት ነው? እቺ ቱ መኖሯ ነው ማለት ነው። አንደርስታንድ? እቺ ቱ መኖሯ ነው። ስለዚህ what is the answer? ማን ነው የሚሆነው? to drink ይሆናል። to drink ወይም ምርጫ ቢኖር ነው ምን መሆን ይችል ነበር? I love drinking. ምን መሆን ይችል ነበር? I love drinking coffee early morning or in the early morning. That's really nice, okay? That's really nice. Okay, good. Number 5. Meron insisted on, there is a preposition on here, right? Meron insisted on dash to me about the accident. So talks, and then like there is here, see talking, sorry, and then again here, and then the first, this one is talking, sorry. This one is talking. Okay. Meron insisted on dash to me about the accident. Talks to talking. Talking. ማን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? ለምን ነው talking የሚሆነው እዚህ ጋር?
Preposition አለ gerund ነው።
Huh?
On preposition.
Yeah, there is a preposition. Meron insisted on የሚል preposition አለ. So we said that all prepositions are followed by ing form of the main verb except two, which is an infinitive maker. Aral? But there is a time that two can be followed by gerunds, like look forward to. Yes or no? And committed to, admitted to, addicted to. Esu lela guday no. Try to come to that. All right? Okay, that's very good. Okay. And go ahead to number 6. I really hate. Manna laun keyword manna lizitseta. Hate alar. I really hate dash on holidays and weekends. Working, to work, work it, A and B.
Working and to work.
Yeah, working and to work. Therefore, what's the answer?
D.
ስለዚህ hate የሚለው ልብ አድርጉ። hate, love. ማንና ማን? hate በሉ ሴ
Hate.
love, like, start, begin ምናምን የሚሉ ምን ነው የሚያስከትሉ? They are followed by both infinitives. Both what? Infinitives and gerunds. They are followed by both infinitives and gerunds. So that I really hate dash on holidays and weekends. And then working, to work it, and then A and B. So to work and working are answers because there are some verbs here, hate, love, like, start, begin, remember, regret የሚሉ እነዚህ ቃላቶች they are followed by both the infinitives and the gerunds ሁለቱንም የሚያስከትሉ ናቸው። አሁን የተዘረዘርኳቸው ማለት ነው። አሁን እዚህ ከሰራናቸው 6 ጥያቄዎች ውስጥ is there any confusion that I have to explain again? Are you clear with all the points I mentioned?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If I ask you any question you can answer.
Yeah.
Very good. All right, like number 7. Like let's see number 7. Dash along the beach is a great way to relax. Walking, walks.
Working.
Why walking along the beach is a great way to relax? Why not walk or walks?
Because as a subject የሚመጣው
So the verb comes at the beginning of a sentence and then it is that the subject and we call it a present what?
participle.
Present participle. Excellent. We call it a present participle. So the answer is?
Walking.
Yeah, walking along the beach is a great way to relax. Is that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you walk across the beach?
I haven't yet.
But
But no, I've seen
okay, so walking along the beach is a great way to relax.
Yeah.
Okay, I said beach, I didn't say. All right, okay, good. So what is the answer?
Walking.
Walking is the answer. All right, good. And then the number 8, do you like dash Ethiopian food? Yes, I do. Eating. Okay, so you have to pay attention for
Like.
the word like, the verb like. So what is the answer?
Eating.
Eating. ሌላ alternative ግን እኮ ቢኖር ኖሮ to eat ቢሆን አይሆንም ነበር? To eat.
ይሆን ነበር።
So I told you that the verb eat, the verb like can be followed by either an infinitive or a gerund verb, right? So here, do you like that Ethiopian food? Yes, I do is the response, and then I can say eat, or I can say eating, or what?
To eat.
To eat. Eating or what?
To eat.
To eat. Because the word like can be followed by either infinitive to or a gerund verb, which is non-G1, all right?
Yeah.
That's clear. So let's see number 9.
Yep.
Stephanos doesn't know how dash, so he takes a bus to work.
How to drive.
How to drive? Why not drive and then driving? ለምን አይሆንም?
How ስላለ
how to አንድ ነገር ይውላችሁ እቺ ነገር መያዝ አለባችሁ። እስቲ how to በሲ
how to
ለምሳሌ እንዴት መንዳት እንዳለብኝ አላውቅም። በስቲ I don't know how to drive በሲ
I don't know how to drive.
Say it again.
I don't know how to drive.
እንዴት መጻፍ እንዳለብኝ አላውቅም። በስቲ
I don't know how to write.
I don't know how to write. Say it again. I don't know how to write.
I don't know how to write.
ስለዚህ how to ነው like that's it. All right, so we say how to. I don't know how to እንዴት እንዲህ ማድረግ እንዳለብኝ አላውቅም ስትሉ I don't know how to write. I don't know how to speak.
Yeah.
I don't know how to write an essay. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I don't know how to how to eat. Actually, like, no, it's not logical. All right? Okay. Good. ስለዚህ how to ነው የምትሉት how to ብላችሁ base verb ነው የምትጠቀሙ. So what is the answer here? How to drive. Here is eating. The first one is what? Eating. I mean, like the number 8 is eating, and the first one is
walking.
Walking, and this is what?
To drive.
To drive. To what?
Drive.
Drive. To drive. Okay. Let's see number 10. I apologized to my teacher about what's given here.
About.
The word about is given here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I apologized to my teacher about dash late for class. So let's see. About is a preposition. So we said that all prepositions are followed by ing followed the main verb, except to which is an infinitive maker. To ሁልጊዜ ደግሞ አታስከትልም ማለት አይደለም። ያ ሌላ ጉዳይ ነው። በሌላ እንመጣበታለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ prepositions ፊት ለፊት ሲሆን ምን ያስከትላሉ ነው? ሌላ ግስ የሚመጣ ከሆነ if another verb comes after prepositions, it has to be with ing form. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what's the answer here?
Arriving.
Arriving. Because of what? Because of about. Because of what? About. So arriving is the answer. Arriving. For example, can I say that I am passionate about reading books, or I'm passionate about to read books? Which one is correct here?
Passionate about.
Passionate about reading or passionate about to read?
Reading.
Reading because of about. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I'm passionate about reading books. I'm passionate about dancing. I'm passionate about a lot of things. Are you passionate about dancing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So are you passionate about swimming?
No.
No, right? About swimming, about dancing, about eating, about doing business, about doing this and that. So, about the middle to know ing, ing because it's a preposition, all right? Let's see number 11. I'm tired of dash about money. Let's go for war. All right? So, I'm tired of talking about money, or talk about money, or like to talk about money, or talking about money. What's the answer?
Talking about.
Again, the same is true for the word of.
Yeah. Of.
Of is a preposition, አይደል?
Yes.
So the prepositions ምን ያስከትላሉ ብለን አንቀጥም? ing ያለበት ጊዜ ያስከትላል. So what's the answer here?
Talking.
Talking. Very good, excellent. Talking, ing. Talking is the answer. Talking is the answer. Is that clear?
Yes.
Talking is the answer. Very good. Number 12. They have finished. They have finished. Dash their money. Use A. Use B. Using C to use it up. So what's given here?
Finished.
Finished. So what is the answer?
Using.
Using. Because finished is one of the gerund verbs.
Yeah.
Which can cause the next verb to be suffixed with the ing form.
Yeah.
So they have finished using their money. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it. So these are like the answers, like walking, eating, to drive, arriving, talking, using. Do you have any other questions again here?
No.
Any other questions, please? Don't you have any questions?
Can we say finish to use?
No, like, okay, so we say that finish is one of the gerund verbs. We have to use like ing after finish, all right? Okay, so this is, let me tell one thing again. So when you study like the so-called grammar, understand the sense, all right? Sense understand that አድርጋችሁት ምናምን እንጂ ዝም ብሎ ፕላስ ብቻ እያላችሁ ልታጠኑት አይደለም. So to make, or to answer such questions, or to make the lesson more interesting, it's really better for you to go back and see the other videos. አይደለም እንዴ? ስለዚህ እዚህ ቪዲዮ ላይ ስለ gerund እና infinitive የሰራሁትን ወደ ኋላ ሄዳችሁ ያን በደንብ እነዚህ ብቻ አይደሉማ በደንብ ካያችሁ በኋላ like it's easy for you, to have a general picture about gerunds and infinitives. Am I clear? ሶ እነዚህና መሰል ጥያቄዎችን አሁንም እንሰራለን ማለት በተከታታይ ነው የምንሰራው ላይክ ከተለያዩ ሽቶች ምናምን ያመጣን እንደዚህ ለናንተም እዚህ በፊት ያስተማርኳችሁንም እንደዚህ የከለስኩ ምናምን ነገር I'm going to just now bring different questions and I hope you got a very good clarification of like these questions today and don't forget to subscribe like and share my YouTube channel and then like anybody who is interested in learning online classes or face-to-face classes you can give us a call የክረምቱን ትምህርት ከኛ ጋር ልጆቹ አዋቂዎች ሁሉ የሚያሳልፉ እንላለን ጀምረናል ማስተማር CMC ሚካኤል which is in front of ጋስትሞል ያለበት ህንጻ ፊት ለፊት ተሻግሮ ዘመን ባንክ ያለበት ህንጻ ከጋስትሞል ተሻግሮ ዘመን ባንክ ያለበት ህንጻ ሉልታዝ ይባላል 8ኛ እና 5ኛ ፎቅ ላይ ነው የምንገኘው ስለዚህ 5ኛ ላይ ብትመጡ ታገኙናላችሁ በሌብላችሁ ተፈትናችሁ ፈተና እንደያቅማችሁ ትማራላችሁ ከዚህ በተረፈ ደግሞ እሁድ ደግሞ ለየት የሚያደርገው የኛ ትምህርት ቤት ምንድነው ስተዲ ቴክኒክስ የሚል ምንድነው ይሄ የጥናት ዘዴ የሚል በፍሪ ኮርስ ይሰጣል ማለት ነው ከሰኞ እስከ ዓርብ ትምህርቱ ከተሰጠ በኋላ እሁድ ደግሞ ተማሪዎች መስከረም ላይ ሲገቡ እንዴት ነው ማጥናት ያለባቸው ትምህርቱን የሚል ነገር ራሱን የቻለ በኤጁኬሽናል ኤክስፐርቶች ይሰጣል ማለት ነው I just want you to come and see our school thank you so much again bye bye everybody